What's up guys? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna teach you the song called Nuthin by Lecrae. I hope I pronounce it right. So let's start. Alright, let's start. So from this one, close your feet. So we're gonna step to the front. Go. Pump your chest. 2 and 3. Step back and 4. Shoulder in. 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Make sure you have your stuff. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7. Chest. 1, 2 and 3. Step 4. Shoulder. 6, 7, and the 8. Good job. Next, from here, you can grab anything you can grab on your body. Mostly your shirt. 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2. Then release. 3. Close on 4. Then flex. 5 and in 6, 7. Drop on 8. Let's try again. From here, 5, 6, 7, and quick. 1 and 2, 3, close 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, you're gonna go head, point 1 and 2. So your hand, you can do like that or like that. Alright, you're gonna go 1 and 2, side 3, and jump 4. 4 chains, 5, turn around 6, jump on 7, and the 8, 1, close on 2. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, and 4, turn around 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Good job. Next, from this, you're gonna go kick and up. Twice. 7 and kick. So for this one, when you kick and when your right is going to go left, your left is going to follow. Go like this. Up. But don't jump too high. Just a little bit. 7 and go up. Then you're gonna do the reverse bicycle and back and up. Put your weight to the front and away, drop and stand up. Let's try. So 7, 8, 1, 2, go 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, stay 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 7, 8. That's it. Let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest. 1, 2 and 3. Top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. 2, 3, 4. Flex. 5 and 6. Drop. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and hop. 5, 6, jump, 7, 8, 1, 2, kick, up, reverse, stop, hook, stop, 7, and go, hook, and ta-ra-ra-ra-ra, ha. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the video. And of course, if you having hard time to get the choreography, you can rewind the video and pause in some part. So, see you soon. Bye!